In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import your product listings into Wix using a CSV file template. This is a straightforward process, but to ensure we get it just right, let's walk through it step by step. We'll start by downloading the necessary template to guarantee we have the correct file structure. Then move on to filling in our product details. And finally, we'll upload the file back to Wix. First, let's begin by downloading the template. You'll want to head over to your Wix dashboard. Once there, navigate to Catalog, then click on Products. Here, you'll find a More Actions button. Go ahead and click on that, and select Import. You'll see an option to download the Wix CSV template. This template is crucial as it shows you the correct file structure needed for the import. Go ahead and download it, and this will set the foundation for importing your products accurately. With the template downloaded, it's time to fill in your product details. Open the CSV template file using a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. You'll notice the file comes with preset headers. It's important to leave these headers unchanged to ensure everything lines up correctly when we upload it back to Wix. Under these headers, you'll be inputting your product information. This includes key details such as the product handle ID, its name, description, and the URLs for any images you have. Carefully enter this information, ensuring each piece is in the right column directly below its corresponding header. After you've meticulously filled out your product information, it's time to save your file. When saving, make sure it's in the CSV format. This ensures compatibility with Wix and is a crucial requirement for the successful import of your products. With your CSV file all prepared, the next step is to upload and import it back into Wix. Head to the Import menu by going back to your Wix dashboard and, just like before, navigate to Catalog and then Products. Click on More Actions once again, followed by Import. Now, you'll need to click on Upload CSV file, and from here, you'll browse your computer to select the prepared CSV file you just saved. Once selected, click on Continue to proceed with the upload. Finally, let's wrap up the import process by reviewing it. Wix will present you with a summary of the products that are set to be imported. Take a moment to review this summary to ensure everything appears correct. Wix will also indicate which items are new and which ones will be updating existing products in your store. This final check is essential to make sure your data is imported accurately. And there you have it, a complete guide on importing product listings into Wix using a CSV file. Remember, attention to detail is key to ensure a smooth import process. If you follow these steps, you'll have a well-organized product catalog ready to impress your customers.